everybody! Welcome to our Wiggle and Stretch channel. Let's move, play, and learn together.
Tie your aprons tight, little chefs. Today, we are stepping into a 5-star restaurant for the Sizzling Chef's Flow. Are you ready? Let's cook! For every 4 poses that you finish, I will come and cheer for you with a sizzling high five. Ready? Go!
Tie your aprons tight, little chefs. Welcome back to Profession Poses. Today, we are stepping into the heat of a 5-star restaurant for kitchen chaos, the Sizzling Chef's Flow. We are going to find out if you have the balance, the speed, and the amazing focus it takes to be a professional master chef in a busy kitchen. Before we fire up the stoves and start our delicious menu, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to join our cooking crew for every new recipe. Are you ready to create a masterpiece? Let's cook! To make our world-famous soup taste amazing, we need to find the secret spice. Stand tall with your feet together, reach your arms way up over your head, and clasp your hands together tight. Now gently lean your whole body to one side, like a long, curved yellow banana. That secret jar is on the very top shelf of the pantry, so reach your fingers as high as you can to grab it. Feel your side body getting long, stretchy, and flexible. Don't let the shelf tip over. Keep your feet glued to the floor like you're standing on a sticky kitchen mat. You're doing great. Reaching for the flavor. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got the spice. Let's head back to the stove. Now we have to stir the soup before it boils over. Step one big foot forward and bend that knee deeply, keeping your back leg strong like a table leg. Reach both arms high to the sky, holding a giant, heavy, invisible wooden spoon. Use your strong arms to stir that big pot of bubbling tomato soup. It is very heavy and thick, so you have to use all your power. Imagine your legs are as strong as a big iron stove, holding everything up. Feel your tummy and your leg muscles working hard to mix in all those secret spices we just found. Keep stirring with rhythm. Stirring the soup. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now switch legs and stir with the other side. Keep it moving. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect consistency. Order up. Someone at table 4 wants a giant slice of gooey cheese pizza. Stand with your legs wide and straight. Reach one hand down toward your ankle and lift the other hand straight up to the ceiling. Your body is forming a perfect sharp triangle shape, just like a delicious pizza slice. Reach your top hand up like a stretchy, melted string of mozzarella cheese. Imagine all the colorful toppings you're adding: red pepperoni, green peppers, and black olives. Hold your slice steady so the cheese doesn't slide off onto the floor. You are a master of shapes. Holding the slice together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That looks delicious. The bakery delivery just arrived at the back door. We need to carry a heavy box of flour to the mixing station. Stand with your feet together, bend your knees deep like you are sitting in a tiny invisible chair, and reach your arms straight out in front of you. Sit back low and feel your legs getting super strong, just like the powerful engine of a delivery truck. Squeeze your knees together and keep your back straight. Don't let that heavy box drop. Chefs have to lift heavy supplies every single day to keep the kitchen running. Stay low and stay strong. You've got this. Carrying the heavy load. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set the box down gently. Whew.
Wow! You completed the first 4 cooking challenges. The soup is ready, little chefs. Keep that yoga power moving. Go!
Let's roll out the dough to make some fresh, crusty bread. Step your feet wide, turn your front toes forward, and bend that knee into a deep stance. Stretch your arms out wide like a giant T, and look right over your front fingertips with a focused chef's gaze. Your arms are a giant rolling pin. Imagine you are pushing the pin forward and backward across the floured table to make the dough perfectly smooth. Keep your front leg bent and powerful. Professional bakers have super steady arms and a lot of patience. Keep rolling and stretching, rolling it out smooth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now switch sides to roll the other half of the dough. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready for the oven. Time to make a refreshing strawberry smoothie for a customer. Stand tall on one leg and place the bottom of your other foot on your ankle or calf, keeping your balance steady. Bring your hands to your heart, then reach them up and spin your fingers around like a fan. You are a tall blender standing on the kitchen counter. Reach your hands up and spin those blender blades to whiz up all the fruit and ice. If you wobble, just imagine you are the ice cubes spinning around in the delicious juice. Keep your focus on one spot to stay still. Whizzing the fruit. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slurp. That smoothie is ready to serve. The grill is getting very hot. Step your feet wide apart and turn your toes out. Then bend your knees deep like you are sitting on a wide and visible horse. Bend your elbows and hold your hands up like flat frying pans. Drop your hips low and feel your leg muscles heating up just like a skillet on the fire. Imagine there are yummy, colorful veggies sizzling and jumping around in your pan. Can you make a little sss sound like a hot grill? Stay low and strong to make sure our dinner doesn't burn. You are the master of the flame. Listen to the sizzle. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfectly cooked and seasoned. The kitchen is getting very busy now. We have to carry a full tray of food out through the swinging doors. Stand on one leg, lean your chest forward just a little bit, and lift your back leg straight behind you. Reach your arms out to the sides like sturdy airplane wings. Find your balance and tilt forward carefully. Imagine your arms are keeping the heavy plates perfectly level. Don't spill the fancy drinks. You are gliding through the dining room like a professional, keeping your cool even when things get chaotic. You are so graceful. Delivering the feast. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Table 5 is served and they look very happy.
Halfway through our shift, team. High five for being a master chef. Only 4 more poses until the bread rises. Let's go!
It's breakfast time at the cafe. We are down low by the griddle. Squat down low with your feet wide apart. Bring your hands together in front of your chest and use your elbows to push your knees out wide. Put your hands together like a flat pancake spatula. Slide it under the imaginary pancake and get ready for a big flip. We have to stay low and patient to flip it perfectly so it lands right in the center of the pan. Can you see the golden brown pancake spinning in the air? Stay steady in your squat. You're doing great. Waiting for the flip. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch it right on the plate. Time for the best part, dessert. Sit down on your bottom on the floor. Lift your feet off the ground and lean back slightly. Reach your arms out straight past your knees to make your body look like a strong letter V. Balance on your bottom to turn your body into a giant mixing bowl. Reach your arms forward and imagine you are whisking up the fluffiest, sweetest chocolate cake batter in the whole world. Squeeze your tummy muscles tight to keep the bowl from tipping over and making a mess. Whisk faster. Make it fluffy. Whisking it up fast. Hold your position. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready to bake. The cake is ready to go into the oven. Come onto your knees on the floor. Stretch one leg straight out to the side. Reach your opposite arm way over your head and lean toward your straight leg. Reach your arm over as far as you can to pull the heavy, hot lever of the giant industrial oven door. Feel the big, satisfying stretch in your side. It is a massive, heavy door, so use all your reach to open it up wide enough for our big cake pan. Watch out for the heat. You're almost there. Opening the heavy door. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The door is open. Slide it in. The bread is finally inside the hot oven. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips up high to the sky to make a strong bridge with your body. Lift your hips up high and imagine you are the dough puffing up and rising into a big warm loaf of fresh bread. Keep your hips up high to help the heat circulate. You are the oven, keeping all that warmth trapped inside, so our bread gets golden, crispy, and perfect. Feel the strength in your back and legs, letting the bread rise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It smells absolutely amazing. Mission accomplished. Incredible cooking today, Master Chefs. You showed amazing speed, perfect balance, and wonderful focus in our kitchen today. Come back to a comfortable seated position on your mat. Sit up nice and tall, close your eyes, and take one big, deep head chef breath in. And let it out with a very happy sigh. You should feel grounded, centered, and professional, just like a head chef who just served a perfect 5-star feast to a whole restaurant. I am so proud of your hard work. Join us next time for our next profession adventure. Namaste, chefs.
Congratulations, chefs! You finished all 12 cooking poses. Let's celebrate our victory. Great job!
Wow, we did it! What a great time! We learned so much with every pose and climb. We stretched so strong and flew up to the sky. Yoga power! Just like a pilot flying high. Yoga power! We can be anything, it's true. Yoga power! And you can do it too. Yoga power! We'll see you next time. Let's all cheer. Yoga power! And have more fun right here.